Hello guys! 안녕하세요 여러분! Welcome back to Easy Korean Pattern. In this series, you can learn one Korean sentence pattern in an easy way, and then also you can practice making Korean sentences with a variety of example sentences. And today, as you already saw in the thumbnail, we'll be learning how to say as soon as in Korean. Let's get started! Alright, so right here we have a today's sentence pattern. Why don't you take a look at this? 자마자. Verb stem plus 자마자. 자마자, this means as soon as. So if you say this, you're going to indicate that an action occurs as soon as another action does. 자마자. And you have to know about the rules, right? You know, about how to conjugate the verbs with this phrase. And all you need to do is just to attach 자마자 right after the verb stem. 자마자. Verb stem plus 자마자. So for example, 짜잔! 일어나다. It means to wake up or to get up. 일어나다. And what is the verb stem here? Yes! 일어나 is a verb stem. Just take out of 다 at the end. 일어나 is a verb stem here. And what happens if you put 자마자 right after 일어나? Yes, it becomes 일어나자마자, right? 일어나자마자. It means as soon as someone wakes up. 일어나자마자. 일어나자마자. And the subject will be decided by what you're gonna say. So for example, if you say 저는, this is a subject. 저는 아침에 일어나자마자 30분씩 운동을 해요. It means I exercise for 30 minutes as soon as I get up in the morning. 저는 아침에 in the morning 일어나자마자 as soon as I get up 30분씩 for 30 minutes 운동을 해요. Exercise. 저는 아침에 일어나자마자 30분씩 운동을 해요. 저는 아침에 일어나자마자 30분씩 운동을 해요. It's very easy, right? You'll be able to make your own sentences if you just remember this one simple rule. Verb stem plus 자마자. Verb stem plus 자마자. Alright, and from now on, as always, I'll give you a few of example sentences so that you can practice more. But before that, there is another thing that you should know. Well, in English, a sentence order should be like subject-verb as soon as subject-verb, right? And you must use the same tenses for each of the verb. If it were exercised, not exercise in that sentence, got up must come after. Right? If you're an English speaker, you exactly know what I'm talking about, right? It's just an obvious fact. But in Korean language, it's a little bit different. When it comes to a verb combining with 자마자 phrase, you don't need to care about the tense. Yes, because you just have to use the verb stem only. So that's all. 자마자, verb stem plus 자마자, that's all. And what determines the tense is actually the last verb at the end of the sentence. Sentence order in Korean language is subject, object, verb. So verb is always at the end of the sentence. And that verb, that last verb, determines the whole tense of the sentence. So just like many other Korean grammatical principles, 자마자 is not conjugated to past or future tenses. So it's not 일어나자마자 or 일어날 거자마자. It doesn't make any sense. Instead, 자마자 is attached directly to the verb stem, and the tense can be assumed from the conjugation of the last verb. So please take a look at the example sentence again. There is a 해요 at the end. This is a present tense, present conjugation of 하다. So that's why I told you the meaning in a present tense. 운동을 해요. I exercise. But if it were a 했어요, this is a past tense. 했어요. The meaning in English would be I exercised for 30 minutes as soon as I got up in the morning. Alright, let's practice more with some example sentences. Alright, how do you say as soon as I graduate from college? Look at this verb. 짜잔! 졸업하다. This verb means to graduate. 졸업하다. 졸업하다. And if you say 대학교를 졸업하다, it means to graduate from college or university. 대학교를 졸업하다. 대학교를 졸업하다. 대학교를 졸업하다. So as soon as I graduate from college is 대학교를 졸업하자마자. Again, 대학교를 졸업하자마자. 대학교를 졸업하자마자. And this is an incomplete sentence in Korean language as well. So you have to combine this phrase with another sentence. So if you say 대학교를 졸업하자마자 좋은 회사에 취직을 하고 싶어요. 좋은 회사에 취직을 하다 means to get a job in a good company. So it means yes, I want to get a job in a good company as soon as I graduate from college. 대학교를 졸업하자마자 좋은 회사에 취직을 하고 싶어요. 대학교를 university or college 졸업하자마자 as soon as I graduate from 좋은 회사 good company 취직을 to get a job 하고 싶어요. I want. And I also cover about the 고 싶어요 pattern as well. So if you're interested in, please check out the video as well. Anyway, it means I want to get a job in a good company as soon as I graduate from college. And what about this? 짜잔! 눕다. 눕다. Have you heard of this verb? 눕다. 눕다. It means to lie. 눕다. And verb stem here is 눕. 눕. 눕다. And 침대에 눕다 means to lie in bed. So if you say 침대에 눕자마자, it means as soon as I lie in bed. 침대에 눕자마자. 침대에 눕자마자. So can you guess what this sentence means? 어제 너무 피곤해서 침대에 눕자마자 잠이 들었어요. It means I was very tired yesterday, so I fell asleep as soon as I lie in bed. 어제, yesterday, 너무 very 피곤해서 tired, 침대에 in bed, 눕자마자 as soon as I lie, 눕자마자 잠이 들었어요. I fell asleep. Again, I will speak this sentence very slowly. Listen carefully. 어제 너무 피곤해서 침대에 눕자마자 잠이 들었어요. And 들었어요, this is a past tense, so the whole tense of this sentence is a past tense. 어제 너무 피곤해서 침대에 눕자마자 잠이 들었어요. 어제 너무 피곤해서 침대에 눕자마자 잠이 들었어요. Alright, and why don't you take a look at this? 도착하자마자 전화할게요. 도착하자마자 전화할게요. 도착하다 means to arrive, and the verb stem here is 도착하. So if you put 자마자 right after 도착하, it becomes 도착하자마자, right? And 도착하자마자 means as soon as I arrive. 도착하자마자. And 전화하다 means to call someone. 전화하다. So yes, it means I will call you as soon as I arrive. 도착하자마자 전화할게요. 도착하자마자 전화할게요. 도착하자마자 전화할게요. Alright, next sentence. 제 동생은 집에 오자마자 항상 컴퓨터부터 켜요. Again, 제 동생은 집에 오자마자 항상 컴퓨터부터 켜요. So 집에 오다 is a verb, and verb stem here is 오. So if you put 자마자, it becomes 오자마자, right? 오자마자. So 집에 오자마자 means as soon as I get home or as soon as someone gets home. So 동생은 집에 오자마자 as soon as my sister or brother gets home, 집에 at home, 집에 오자마자 항상 always 컴퓨터부터 켜요. Turn on. So it means my brother or my sister always turn on the computer as soon as he or she gets home. 동생은 집에 오자마자 항상 컴퓨터부터 켜요. 컴퓨터부터 켜요. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. And why don't you make your own sentences using 자마자 phrase in the comments down below so that I can check if you really understand this lesson. I'm gonna check. Oh, and also I covered about basic Korean verbs that you must know in other videos. So if you have no idea what verbs that you can use, please check out the video as well. That would be wonderful. And also I've got my Instagram, I've got my Facebook, and I've got my Twitter, so you can connect with me on all of my social media. Then I'll see you soon for another lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. 띵띵띵띵 띵띵띵띵. 그러면 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕. Bye. As you already series, you can oh wait no. What is this? I get up in the morning? No. 왜 이렇게 발음을 못하는 거니? Well, in English, your sentence order. Well, in English, your sentence is oh no. And this is a incomplete sentence. Hope you guys like.